on board of our brand new for model year 26 Sunliner. This is a 250 layout. On the front we have our brand new dual facing loungers that we're all really excited about. We are bringing Chestnut Brown into the Sunliner family. Super excited to add that as an offering for you guys. This boat has so much storage, a giant long bench, storage in each of these. You have really great corner storage right here for all your life jackets, and it extends all the way through. Different from our other products, so you can put poles, you can put skis, you can put whatever down in here. It's really great. And then the best part of this boat that we think in terms of storage is our bow storage. So trash cans, coolers, bags, anything. Really great access at the front of the boat. Another great added feature on the new model year 26 Sunliner is this giant entertainment area in the bow. So you have 3 cup holders, RGB lighting. We moved our speakers up sound for a better sound quality. Wet Sounds is our new bass system on this boat. Grab handles, USBs, place to put your phones, everything you need right here in the bow of the boat. This will be everyone's new favorite position on the boat. Our dual loungers make it the most comfortable place for you to sit, so you can face rear and watch everyone as they're out in the water. We brought down from Crown our Fender Pro quick release fender system. Really great access on top of your boat, push of a button. So when we redesigned this boat, we spent a lot of time and focus on this Chaseback area. It's similar across all of our boats, so we're like, why not invest and put really thoughtful creature features in this area? So on top, you have a lockable safe. Keep all your things, phones, wallet, keys, sunglasses, whatever you want in here. We love this new functionality in this area in here. And then this is our cooler drawer storage area. So on top, you have a giant cavity. You can throw bags, towels, snacks, whatever you want in here. And down here, you have our awesome cooler storage. So it comes standard with this cooler in it. It's branded. It holds up to 38 cans. Really great place to put everything. And then I think one of the favorite features of the Harris team right now is down here. So your shoe storage. Every time you get on the boat, you have a bunch of shoes. Where are you going to put them? You have a perfect place. Shove them under, and you don't have to worry about them on your day on the lake. Our brand new Helm on this boat takes a lot of lines from its previous models, so just elongated. So you'll see kind of that traditional swoop, but you have a lot more depth, a lot more range. We also added a lot more touch features on here. So comes standard with 2 gauges, but we're showing it here with the 7. You have your upholstered top on here, your marine mat here, brand new Wet Sounds head unit for this year, and then a really cool new charger that tucks your phone away, keeps it out of the sun. Marine mat through the top of the boat. We transitioned away from rocker switches to these beautiful chrome lit buttons and some rockers for your bimini and nav anchor lights. Marine mat continues down into here. We also integrated a speaker into the Helm, so really great sound system for the driver with the lockable glove box down here and cup holder for you as well. Along with the rest of the furniture on this boat that's brand new, we have brand new Helm chairs on this boat. Really comfortable, infinite reclines similar to our Crown boats. Soft touch vinyl, everything. You'll have so much fun and be so comfy behind the wheel in this chair. Your co-captain will have access to everything they want. Great storage, USB cup holders and a speaker, so they also can enjoy this boat as well on the water. Also standard moving forward on our Sunliner boats is an external battery switch. So here you can see you can access and turn on your battery without moving from the captain's chair. We also have 2 speakers. Sunliner now comes standard with 6 speakers as the base option. So we have 2 speakers facing inward. Right here we have some really great storage. So you just pull this out, lift up, and you can access all the storage, stays up, don't need to prop it up. So back here we have our new acrylic gate, similar to like you can see on the Crown. Really great, closes off the back, keeps this boat really family friendly and really safe. So when you have little ones on the boat, you don't have to worry about them coming off to the back end of the boat. One of my favorite new features on this SL is now you can face forward and aft at the same time. So you can face forward like traditional SLs, and then now this middle portion of the boat props up, and now you can enjoy aft facing and forward facing at the same time. Another new added feature, when you're in the complete lay flat position, this back section also similarly props up, comes up in the kickstand, and you can lay flat facing forward and enjoy your day. The great thing about all of our 3-tube boats is this really awesome extended rear platform. Great for family, makes getting little ones, grandparents, parents in and out of the boat really easy. So back here we have our safety change, which makes it you able to face aftward while you're underway. We also have an awesome lily pad ladder on this boat, so getting on and off the boat happens like a breeze. One thing we're really proud of here at Harris is that this 3-tube ski tow bar is safety rated for towing inflatables. One thing that you'll find on any Harris boat that you land on is all of our boats are powered by Mercury outboard engines, and then every single boat has our RPM technology on it, providing that you have a really smooth, comfortable, and high-performing ride out on the water.